So the oscilloscope is very simple to understand. Basically, the x-axis is the time domain and the y is the voltage that you can see, and you can adjust it to where kind of like a magnifying glass. You can adjust it to see like very small millivolts or very high or higher volts, and it will adjust accordingly. And you can also adjust the time, which is also like a magnifying scope in the time domain, to explain the frequency. You can also adjust the time domain in a way to take. You can also adjust this, which is kind of the speed at which it captures, which is kind of like a slow motion frame, which I'll show you in a second. You can also take again. You can also adjust the speed that it takes pictures in a way to where you can make it normal speed, or you can make it really fast, as if you have like a really high speed camera, you know, that makes everything very slow motion. It's kind of like that in a way, in a dumb sense. So let's turn it on, and I already have it all set up. Let's make sure the speed's down, okay. And you can see the dot, yes, you can see the dot. And that, so it's going at seconds right now, that's why it's going so slow. But you can see, if I take this is ground, and this is where I take the probe, and you can see if I tap it, there's a voltage difference, and you can see that as it moves. And that's it. So let's speed it up, and now you can see at different times it's going up and down differently. I'm sorry, I can't really. I am not qualified to fully explain this, but yeah, you can see that, and I can go super fast. What does this say? I can't read it. 0.1 nanoseconds. 0.1 nanoseconds. And still tapping. Let's zoom in. So yeah. So you can still see I'm still tapping. Slow it down. Slower and slower. And now let's adjust the voltage. This is at 5 millivolts, I believe. So let's bump it up to where so the up and down needs a higher voltage to change the y-axis. See? Let's go all the way up and see. I'm still tapping it. Still tapping, but it makes basically no difference at all. And for this, and for this video, that's all you need. And for this video, that's all you need to know about the oscilloscope. So let's power it down.